Hey there, this is LaQuita with quitabughandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Up! Tutorial. So today I have a card that I'm going to share with you how to create using the Memories and More little card packets. So this card is going to be stamp free. So I am actually on page 59 of the January through June mini catalog. And we have right here, number 7, the Heart and Home Memories and More card pack. So I have that right here. So this is how it comes. It comes neatly cellophane wrapped, but you get all of these little mini cards. They are double-sided, really, really cute. So I always want to really get into scrapbooking and memory keeping, but I'm just so I'm kind of scared. I'm kind of scared of it, you guys. Like, it's a little bit overwhelming because I never know where to begin, how to start, how to organize things. And then I'm like, okay, you know, I'm 37. Like, do I just start with today? Do I have to go back? You know, like, I don't know. I don't know where to begin with it. If y'all have any tips, let me know. Share them down below. So anyways, I have this card pack and I decided I'm gonna make a card. You get these sticker sheets as well, really cute. Yeah, so I just can't seem to begin with the memory keeping. And then you get these large cards. Ooh, another sticker sheet mixed in there. So that's 3. Are there any more? Okay, I guess that's all. Yeah, all of the sticker sheets. But again, double-sided on these as well. And let me see, these large cards, it probably tells you in here. Yeah, so it says 50 total double-sided cards, 2 each of 25 designs. You have your 3x4 cards, which are these smaller ones, and then you have, oh, there's 4 sticker sheets. 1, 2, it's stuck together, I think. No. 1, 2, 3. 4. It was just mixed in there. Okay, so 4 sticker sheets. I'll show you those up close in a second. Okay, 4 sticker sheets, and these cards are 4x6. Okay, all right, so yeah, that's what's in here. Let me just show you these sticker sheets. So you have sentiments, messages, you've got little flags, images, and more little flags, images, sentiments, banners. You know, you can write on this little square. So really cute. I really like it. But yeah, so we're gonna make a card today. So that's what I'm gonna walk you through doing. Like I said, it's gonna be stamp free, but it's beautiful. Okay, so I'm just gonna bring in my pieces for the card. For my card base, I'm using, this is Garden Green, which coordinates with the colors in this collection. And then for my my card base, it's cut 4 1/4 inches by 11 inches, and I've scored it at 5 1/2 inches so that it'll be a vertical folding card. All right, so I am going to use my Stampin' trimmer to cut some things down. So when I made my sample, I actually already cut this piece down. So that piece is from this little card. I literally just cut it in half. Okay, so these are 3x4, so I just cut it at 2 inches down the middle, and then I have this. So actually, no, I need to cut again because I need this bottom one. So let me do that. There we go, see, easy. Got that, because I need my B to be on the left side. Okay, got that. Then this piece right here, I want to just turn this sideways and cut this at 1 inch. Okay, so got that piece. And then I love this green striped piece, and I just want to cut this down to from 4 to 3 1/2. So I'm gonna turn it this way. Just barely taken any off. So just 1/2 inch off on that. Okay, then, so those are all of the small cards that I'm using. Then I wanna do this card. And this is 4 by 6, so I'm just gonna cut this down to 4 is right, so I just need 5 1/4. Whoops. Yeah, 5 1/4. Yep, so this is now 4 by 5 1/4. Then I want to also take, let me see, this. I'm gonna cut this at 2.5 inches for my envelope flap. Okie dokie. Okay, so now we can start putting this card together. I'm just going to give a nice crease there on my card base. And then I'm gonna add this piece. I think I'm almost out of Stampin' Seal. I'm gonna add this to the front of my card as my little front layer. Just right in the center, right there looks good. Then I'm going to add this piece, and I want the stripes on here, I want them going vertically, not horizontally. So I'm going to add this about a little less than 1 inch up from the bottom of the card front, so right about there, and I'm lining it all the way up to the edge of the card base. So right there. Then I'm gonna take this little piece and I'm gonna put that up about 1 inch from the bottom of my stripes. So right about here. Yep, right about there for that. Okay, then I want dimensionals on here. See how quickly this comes together with the Memories and More card packs? You can make super quick cards and no stamping, which is kind of sad because I do love stamping. But it makes it quick and easy. And I'm just gonna put this, I'm gonna center it over this little 1 inch piece that we just put and leave a little bit of space over here on the left. So let me scoot it down so I can make sure I'm lining it up how I want it. Yep, you see that? Just like that. I love when things are just, each little layer is just a little off from the other. I love that look. Okay, so now what I wanna do is I'm gonna take from my sticker pack, I want this big, beautiful, I wish there were more of these in the sticker pack. I want this big, beautiful image, and you need to de-stickify it. Now you can do that by sticking it onto your skin or your clothing, you know, over and over and over and over and over. That will do it. Or if you have, we used to carry the embossing buddy or some sort of a powder tool, you can also do it that way. But I feel like the skin, I mean, the powder tool works great. Let me see. Okay, that's good. And then I want this Thankful for You sentiment. Do the same thing. Just get the sticky off the back. Okay, so I think that's good. So what I'm gonna do is take this and I'm gonna add some dimensionals, just kind of focusing them towards the center of this because this is gonna go off the edge of this bumblebee piece. So I don't want too much, I don't want the dimensionals to hang off too much or at all. I'm gonna put this, I think I want it, is that good? Yep, that's good. Put it there, looks cute. And then I'll take my, oop, I guess I didn't do that well enough. It stuck to my desk. Take my Thankful for You. Let's do it a little bit more. Okay, and we'll put a dimensional on the left side of that. No, we won't, LaQuita. We will put it on the right side, and then we will just do Stampin' Seal. Excuse me. No, we will put the dimensional on the left and the Stampin' Seal on the right. Ah, okay. And then I'm just going to stick this down right there. Isn't that so cute, you guys? I love this card. Okay, and then before I keep going, before I finish the card, let me go ahead and get my flap done. So I'm just gonna add here. I left my glue open all weekend. I didn't realize it. Okay, it's coming out. I forgot to close it when I was up here last. There we go. Okie dokie. Then I'm just going to add this onto my flap. Dee, 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 dee. And then all you do is come in with your paper snips and you just trim off where it hangs over the edge. There you go. Quick and easy. Great way to use up designer paper as well. Okay, so finish this up. I have got the Elegant Faceted Gems. These are just so pretty. Can you see them? Lovely, lovely, lovely. I hope you can, because I can't see if you can. I'm sitting way down here. Let me scoot in. Okay, I'm gonna take one of the large ones, and I thought it looked so cute if you put that right over the abdomen of our little bee. So cute. That is a bee, right? Yeah. Okay, and then, oh, I don't know, does that one have sticky left on it? It does, but I don't know. I'm just gonna grab another one, and we'll just pop two of these over here. Two of the smaller ones. So pretty. I love these. All right. All right, you guys, so there it is. I hope you can see it. So beautiful. And look how pretty that little gem looks right there on the belly of that bumblebee. I think it's so cute. So I really love how this card turned out. Thankful for You. So pretty. So don't forget to look at those memories and more card packs. You can do a lot with them, not just memory keeping if maybe you're like me and you just aren't quite ready for memory keeping yet, or you don't know where to begin. Okay, so thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget you can find all of the measurements and all of the supplies for today's project linked and listed down below in the video description and over on today's coordinating blog post, which is linked down below. So thank y'all so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and stay tuned. I'll be back again very soon with another tutorial. Bye now.